Welcome! Today I am with Pokemon Unite and I will show you how you can get items for your Pokemon. So at the first you have to tap on the left upper corner and then go for the health items. So here we are able to link items to our Pokemon. So in my case for Charizard, so we have to go for all health items. And as you can see in my case I got two available items. I got the leftovers and speed attack specs. So after scoring a goal, it will increase the speed attack of my Pokemon by 8 units. So how to get it to our Pokemon? Just go back, go for the health items and tap on the plus. And right now we are able to pick one of this item, for example HP. Click use, and as you can see right now our Charizard grants 16 HP units, and it's thanks to this item. If you want to get items, you have to go right here for closed, tap on the shop in this place, and here we can get items. So we can get them for this coins, tickets, or in some cases for these gems. So I don't have any tickets and gems, so I can only get them for these coins. So for example I can buy also maybe this item or this one or this one. So I can click obtain, confirm, and there we got it. There we got it. So right now we can go back, go again for the health items, and right now we can change for Razor Claw, and then click use. So as you can see, that's all. That's how we can make it. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.